A little standy butt exercise. See, look at this. Nobody coming. Nobody coming. Nobody behind me. It's definitely quiet living out here. I'm not surprised that we didn't see any deer. They used to be much thicker. Back in the day when I'd be going from this town to Jamestown, there'd be hundreds. And I'm talking like, I don't know what you call a herd of deer. Maybe it's just a herd, but yeah, there'd be hundreds and hundreds of deer all grouped together standing in a field. Now you might see 2 or 3. They've all been hunted pretty good. But here she is, the town of Wimbledon. Like the tennis match in England, Wimbledon. This is the birthplace of Peggy Lee, country singer, if you're familiar with her. I'll even show you where she was born. Let's see, other North Dakota facts. Jamestown, where I live. Louis L'Amour is from there. Spent quite a bit of time there. We got the Louis L'Amour Museum in town. My buddy from high school, his parents lived there. Another buddy I went to school with, his parents lived there. I don't remember there being a U.S. Air Force plane here before. That's probably a good place for a photo op. Down in a second because we're not going to be going very fast through this town. I know they've always had crap roads. Oh, and yep, nothing's changed. Still got the old train caboose sitting there. Let's see, that used to be a cafe. Bank, grocery store. That used to be a clinic. Looks like it's a candy shop now. And of course they got a bar, fire hall, and that used to be a gas station. Obviously it is no more. This house here with the iron gate used to be the old hospital, and it was in fact where Peggy Lee was born. The This is the old high school, which is now apartments. So that is where I graduated. That school right there. There's an old museum. And another schoolhouse. I'm kind of in the middle of the road here, where they need to turn. So the old house that I moved to when we first moved to Wimbledon is long since been torn down. And they got another house out there now, but it's all on like a private drive. So I don't want to go down there. And bother them. Church. Park. And a cemetery. There she is, folks. There's Wimbledon, North Dakota. that's pretty much it. Got the, holy shit, man, that's the old football field. We're gonna stop here and kind of reminisce a little bit. Oh. So yeah, this is the old high school football field. This shelter belt here, this land, this is what we used to own when I was in high school. I don't know if you can see it. Way down there, there's a house way back in those trees. Like I said, my old house has long since been demolished. They built that house, I don't know how many years ago, but yeah, this was all our land. We had horses. We used to run up and down these fields, and I got in trouble one time for riding my horse through the football field, but oh well. It is what it is, but yeah. This was my old property. Grain elevator looks like it's long since been shut down. Let's see how much. Yeah, still recording a little bit, but yeah, this is rural North Dakota for you. It's crazy. It's been so long since I've been here. Almost 30 years since I graduated. Absolutely crazy. Time slips away from you, whether you want it to or not. Don't ever let a moment pass you up that you should have taken. An opportunity that's presented to you. You gotta go for it. So that's my words of wisdom. Don't let the opportunities pass you by. Yeah, that group of buildings there, that's where my old house used to be. Looks like the original barn is still there. Yep, the chicken coop is still there. Just the house has been replaced. And then, of course, that whole shelter belt of trees there, that was all ours as well. See if the gas station is open so we can go pee. I would think it would be. It's a Wednesday afternoon.